Welcome to E-BookBeast training video series. In this tutorial we are going to show you how to generate leads from your site. Go to the left menu and click on the Manage Sites option. Now you are on the Manage Site page. Click on Site Setting option. Enable Pop-up View option and choose the Pop View option according to your choice. In onload pop-up will show when user load the site. On exit pop-up will show when user exit the site screen. In time delay pop-up will show according to your given time delay. All of your generated leads show in Leads section. Your leads will also added an autoresponder when you integrate any autoresponder in Integration section. You can manage your leads via GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, or MailChimp. Thanks for watching the video.